upgrading the speakers in it. That's my new speaker right there. And the problem is that from the factory, these ship with proprietary connectors like this one. And so what I'm going to be doing is wiring this so that it can work with the JVC one. These JVC and pretty much every other brand of speakers just use these kind of like basic generic connectors like that. And so what I'm going to be doing is basically cutting off this connector, stripping back the wire, and I'm going to be flowing some solder onto this wire and then these two guys right here. So these are the connectors that just kind of slip on to that guy, and then these are the things I'm actually going to be soldering. So I've got my wire cut here and stripped with some wire strippers. Did the same thing on this wire right here. So basically what I'm going to do is I put little hooks in them like this, and then I just do that, and then I'm going to kind of tie a knot or something like that, but basically just going to make sure that's nice and happy. And I also put a little clamp here just to pull it down like that for me. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some solder and my hot soldering iron, and I'm going to flow the solder into there. I've also already got my shrink wrap on that, so once I finish that, I'm going to hit that with a little bit of heat just to make sure we get a nice connection there, and then we should be good, so stay tuned.